and makes as much money as
That's a good fish. Oh, this isn't bad. This is a pike. Oh, that's a good pike. Come back.
You see any lightning, let me know.
Yeah.
But it's supposed to be scattered and quick, and I hate to ruin the whole day because of one little 10-minute burst.
Yeah.
I can't tell you how many. Oh,
That was a fish.
Walter's been with me.
Yeah, we've had some good days.
Come back. Yep.
Got him?
Oh, yeah, I got him. The smallest northern of all time. There you go. Jeez, my drag slipped so bad.
The bait is as big as he is.
Yeah, literally. Those are the things I'm talking about. They're just like little snakes. Yeah, you can tell it's all bright over there. You can tell over there too, it's just one cloud.
Enough to piss me off.
Yeah, right? Any precipitate. Oh, these are some fat raindrops. Woo! Ooh, it's gonna be a soaker. Oh man. First one to catch a fish in the storm wins. And clearly goes off. These raindrops are huge. I'm wearing a sweatshirt, so I'm gonna feel like 100 pounds after this. All right. Now that I feel like I'm not in Hurricane Katrina, maybe I'll catch a fish. I'll just marry my boat. That's all I need. A nice boat, a truck, a house, some food.
You got to hold off till you find a woman that is as motivated and driven as you.
Yep.
And makes as much money as
That's
you.
a good fish.
We might want to consider getting a net out. Got a weed.
No, it's a fish, but it's in the weeds. Oh, it's a pike.
Nice size one.
Yeah. Sure, I'll get a picture of that one.
See if I can land them.
You have the net? Or can you grab them?
It would take. We have to put the nets on. Some labor.
That's all right, I can get them.
You good?
No, I got it.
I got plenty right here.
All good. He's just biting on it.
All good in the neighborhood.
Second,
Bigger now.
second pike of the day. That's not terrible. Bigger than the first one.
Oh yeah, by far.
Yeah, we haven't been out long for a bit. That's good.
Oh, okay. Soak me more.
1,000.
Jeez.
Toward you own the land.
Yes, I'll put it on my calendar now.
And he just tore all the
Oh, that guy hit me.
building 6 houses and selling them for $850,000.
Oh, he hit me twice.
There's whitewater rafting available.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they take you on a bus like 5 minutes up the river, and they give you like safety instructions, and there's guides.
Yeah.
Looks like it might be a good one.
It's a dink. It was just on the weeds, so it looked longer.
2, 3, and 4.
That bird must be doing that.
That was pure pressure. As soon as I took the hook out or grabbed him up, the hook came out.
No, it's number 9.
See you, bud.
Oh, that bait shot.
Oh, I know.
You can probably bend it in for another one or two, but you're gonna eventually lose it.
I've caught so many fish on this.
That's what I found.
I need to retie. Pike will just rip up your line.
Oh yeah.
And if I get a big one, I lose it because of my line, I'm gonna be pissed. I never used to retie until once you fuck up a couple times.
That's
is-
smart. You're talking like a pro.
It is
That's
the
the shit that they talk about at the seminars, stuff like that.
it is the worst feeling. It's something you will never do until you lose it.
Well,
or
it's like
until-
if you fish regularly, just changing your line like once a month,
Mm-hmm.
depending on how often.
Yeah, I
I've
do
been
that all the
doing it
time.
once a year.
Retied and ready to
Stick
go.
with it. catching another one before me. I gotta go up.
That's a good fish.
Yeah, took it.
Need the net?
I don't know. Ooh, that is a nice one.
Is it?
It's a bass.
It's a good bass.
Yeah.
That's a good
You
bass.
got the biggest fish so far.
First legal. I lipped him good too.
Yeah, that guy took off running right away.
So you get the,
Want a picture?
so you can
Yeah.
grab the camera if you want.
You want me to use my phone or you got a phone?
I got a phone. Get this out of him first.
I got one too. As I was reeling in to take a picture. That's funny.
Here, Walter, you take a picture of me and then I'll take a picture of his.
Oh, this isn't bad. This is a pike. Oh, that's a good pike.
Oh yeah. There.
Oh, chill. Chill.
Oh, that's nice.
That's not bad.
Must have been what my dad caught that when I was a kid.
If you want to throw a spinner or something, let me know. Hey.
Oh, let go of my bait.
Swallowed your bait?
A delivery?
Yeah, look at
No, we're landing a big pike right now.
donkey
I
snatcher
can't
in the
wait
mouth.
to get you out here. Yeah, I've been taking customers on Friday.
All right, let's get the release. There he goes.
Slamming them today so far.
I think we should go find some weeds. What's your take?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's go back over towards the restaurant and fish there again. Just because it's getting close. That way we can fish till the last minute instead of having to run.
Works for me. Oh, with my parents?
Yep.
And you didn't invite me. All right. That's cool.
We're working.
I probably was. I work every freaking day.
That was Wednesday night.
Yep.
Oh, see it?
Yeah.
Right there?
Yeah. Oh, I got one right next to me. There was two of them.
Yeah, you were watching mine.
I was watching yours, yeah. Okay, chill. Okay, this counts, but he's gonna come on. He's gonna come on.
No, it counts.
That was weird. I was watching yours. Look at, he just swiped at it. Look at, barely in the mouth.
Mine was just a little smaller.
Yeah. Going back. See you later, bro.
I think mine should count too.
Should it? Mine scared yours. As soon as I hooked him,
might have.
he darted. I got bit. Yeah.
Me too. Got him.
Yeah?
Get one already?
Yep.
Ooh, that guy got munched. That's a fresh munch. You see that?
Oh God, yeah.
He just got,
Ooh. That had to have been a big ass muskie to take a chunk out of this guy.
he just hit, that's fresh too. He's still bleeding.
See this, Walter?
No.
He's got a huge chunk out of him.
Does he?
Yeah, he's all bloody. Look at that. Jeez.
Oh, he's chumming the waters.
Alrighty guys, that is going to conclude today's video. I hope you all did enjoy. Thanks again to my neighbor Kearney for taking me out. We ended the day with over 30 pike between the three of us. I think it was around 33, 34 total fish. So super fun day. A couple bass mixed in there, but mostly basically northern, but any fish is a good fish when you can get on them constantly. So with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. I have some super cool video ideas planned that are coming up shortly. 2 videos a week coming very shortly. I just ended school. The day you see this is the day I end school, so sorry if the wind noise is kind of bad. It's kind of windy right now. I'm actually headed out one more time right now. I'm filming this outro the day after, but I'm headed out. That's besides the point. With that being said, I hope you all did enjoy. Make sure you guys go leave a like down below. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Hit the subscribe button, hit the gray bell next to it if you guys are new to the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.